At Fantasy Motorsports, we specialize in customizing Teslas to make your driving experience truly one of a kind. Whether you're looking to boost performance, elevate style, or enhance comfort, we've tackled every modification imaginable, and even a few you might not have considered. Craving a touch of luxury? We offer starlight headliners and ambient interior lighting to transform your Tesla's cabin. From the dashboard and center console to footwells, doors, back seats, and underglow, we customize every detail to match your unique vision. Teslas are renowned for their sleek glass design, but that same glass can let in excess heat. Our premium ceramic window tint will keep you cool and comfortable while giving your glass the look you want. Want to make your Tesla even more striking? Choose from a range of custom caliper paint options to give your car a personalized, attention-grabbing look. For those who love both performance and style, we offer a wide array of carbon fiber enhancements, trims, spoilers, mirrors, splitters, diffusers, and more, all designed to elevate your Tesla's appearance. And for added convenience, we can install features like a power front, automatic pop-up illuminated door handles, and ambient lighting for your dashboard, door panels, center console, and seats. We also offer vinyl wraps, ceramic coatings, and paint protection film, PPF, to enhance and protect the look of your ride. Gloss, satin, or matte finishes, and every color imaginable are possible with vinyl wrap or the deep, rich look of PPF. The choice is yours. Our reputation for Tesla customization is so strong that customers nationwide rely on Fantasy to work our magic. Let Fantasy Motorsports turn your Tesla into something truly extraordinary.